Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you are new here, my name is BIRANG. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be creating this hairstyle tutorial where I will be showing you guys how I created this super easy 5 minutes wedding, or I should say festival bun, which actually does not take more than 5 minutes to create. We all know wedding season is going on and we hardly get any time to go out to salon during this lockdown or during this pandemic to get ready. So I have created this hairstyle for you guys and anyone can do it. It's super easy, super quick, and let's just get started and let me show you guys how I created this hairstyle. And you do not need any extra accessories or anything to create this hairstyle. It's super quick and just take like few minutes. Before moving forward, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon. So let's begin. Hairs are a bit greasy and I don't have time to wash my hairs, and I know most of the time it happens to you guys as well. So to fix that greasiness, that oiliness on your hair, I always use dry shampoo. So I'm going to be using a dry shampoo and I'm keeping it little far from my hair roots, and I will be spraying that dry shampoo on my hair roots, or I should say on the areas where I see there is tend to get so much of oil, or where so much of oil is collected on my scalp, and then massage the hairspray thoroughly on the entire head. And once the massage is done, I'm going to be combing my scalp so that everything gets mixed up together. Now let's start doing a hairstyle. So I will be taking few portions of my hairs and then I'll start twisting them up at the back, and then using a bobby pin I will be securing it. Now make sure you take a little small portions of your hair from the entire hair. So now I'm taking another small portions of my hairs and then I am twisting them up, and then I am using bobby pin to secure them. It's super easy, it just take like 2 minutes to do that. You just have to grab few of the hairs, twist them, and just pin it up using a bobby pin. So yeah, see, that's what I've done. It's super quick, super easy, and I think anyone can do it. Now using a rubber band, I will be creating a low ponytail because I will be turning that ponytail into a hair bun. Now once the ponytail is done, I am going to start twisting my hairs, and then I will be start creating a bun at the back of my head, and then using a rubber band to secure that hair band. Now as you all can see that my hairs are quite short and there are so many hairs falling out, which is completely okay. But to secure my bun, I'm also be using a U-shape hairpin. You see, this is how the bun looks. Now I'm also adding a gajra. So this is artificial gajra which I'm using. I always use this trick to apply the gajra on my hair. So I always attach a U pin at the end of the gajra. I twist it for like I twist it 2 times, and then I do on both of the ends, and then I just place that gajra on the bun, and the pins which I have twisted, I just very gently press them into the hair so that it doesn't move. Now why I twist it? So that it gets rolled up, or I should say it gets stuck in my hair and doesn't come out. So that's the reason I always try this tip. So do you guys see? It looks fabulous. This hairstyle is super easy. It did not took me more than like 5 minutes to create this hairstyle, and it completely looks so festival, so Indian. I'm sure you guys will love it, and I'm sure anyone in this world can do this super easy hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this hair tutorial. If you guys did, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and give a big thumbs up to this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on all my social media handles which are mentioned down below. I'm gonna catch you guys super soon with a brand new video, but till then, take care, stay safe, bye.